So for problem number 1, we have an isosceles triangle. I know it's isosceles because I have two congruent sides. And I'm asked to find the value of x. Well, this is actually a pretty easy problem. Just know that on an isosceles triangle that the base angles are congruent. Now what that means is that they equal each other. So this is actually really easy. It's just x is equal to 48 degrees. Okay? And that's just because this is an isosceles. I always misspell isosceles triangle. And that's based on the base angle theorem. Okay?